Guys, now we bought some new fireworks right here. We went to the TNT firework house, whatever. Yeah, and we got these. These called oh, let me show you. These are called the whistling pea rockets. I want to see what this one does. Looks kind of cool. It says flammable rocket, carefully, blah blah blah. 6 pieces. Yep. And here we got a cake. It's like a 200-gram cake. TNT dad gum. It's a 9-shot cake. It has 9 shots, and this one is for Sentinel aerial cake. This is 100 family fun since 1920s. Yeah, this one's gonna be a good one, I guess. It has only 12 shots. This one, and here we got the moon traveling PD rockets. These are a lot. There's a bunch in here. I like these, bro. They're pretty loud too. Like they're the little ones that go. The little ones. I'm sorry. I just ate too much today. That's why I'm burping. These are pretty cool. Like they go up in the air and then they explode like a firecracker. They're loud as a firecracker. It's pretty cool. There's a whole bunch. It's good for like. I should save some of them for next year. And here we got another cake. It's called the let me take it out. It's called the Tiger Roar. Roll. And so it's like it's a 200-gram cake. It shoots 16 shots. This one is pretty cool. I think it's new. I don't see it anywhere on YouTube. I try to search it up, but it's nowhere on YouTube. I seen a little video of it on TNT, the TNT website, whatever, of fireworks. It's pretty cool. And we got some firecrackers. The ground blaster firecrackers. These are loud. I had these last year, like in New Year's Eve, like in 2021 New Year's Eve. I can't wait to light these up. They're 100 PCS, 100 pieces. I mean 100 firecrackers. And we got those over there. Those are the fireworks that y'all saw in last video. And to see the video, you gotta scan right here, or take a picture of it, whatever. Yeah, pretty cool. These are my favorites, I guess. Like, I seen the videos, they look so cool. I like how like explodes and makes like it does different colors and it crackles. It has crackling effects and stuff. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. See y'all later.